The first thing that struck me about Teds Woodworking Plans are the detailed, easy-to-read plans. The detailed information on the plans was thorough and well laid out, so when received, to say I was impressed was an understatement. What I like about Teds Woodworking Plan is the customer service they offer. They were quick and answered my questions quickly and were pleasant to deal with. To get a discount on Teds Woodworking Plan, visit woodconstruct.club. I had found some good reviews and knew their plans were excellent. They're a little on the pricey side for the plans they have, but I know they will last a long time because they were designed by a pro. So what do I like about Teds plans? Firstly, the price is higher than some other packages but still very reasonable for the amount. Secondly, they have lots of helpful added extras to help beginners to intermediate. Thirdly, they are detailed and thoroughness on some plans is hard to beat. Fourthly, they are easy to print and use on site. Personally, I don't think there are 16,000 plans. Although there is a lot, and I could be proven wrong. But for $47 you can get a massive collection of woodworking plans. Let's face it, this is much cheaper than anywhere else. You could subscribe to your favorite woodworking magazine for 10 years and still not come close to that. So if you are looking for an inexpensive way to get plans for your next woodworking projects, then Teds is a good option. Definitely worth some thought. Not all the plans are the greatest, and the most detailed, but from what I've seen half of them are pretty good. They have a great set of plans for beginners and intermediate and advanced woodworkers. To get a discount on Teds Woodworking Plan, visit woodconstruct.club or click the link in the description below.